High achievers love clarity, so they gather data, weigh options, and analyze every angle. But when pressure is high, that careful thinking can tip into paralysis by analysis. The very skills that make you sharp can start to work against you. In this lecture, you will learn how to use intuitive shortcuts, the kind that help you make confident, fast decisions without second guessing. We will also learn ways to blend logic with instinct so you can trust your judgment, stop looping, and move forward with more ease. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify the difference between intuition and impulsivity. Know when to stop analyzing and trust your experience. Use a blended thinking tool to combine data with gut instinct. Why smart people second guess. Overthinkers often fear one thing, making the wrong decision. So they gather more data, ask more people, reread their notes, and end up in analysis paralysis. But here's the thing, your brain already knows more than you think. Research from the Max Planck Institute shows that intuitive decisions can be more accurate than logical ones when the person has enough past experience to draw from. This means your intuition isn't vague or unscientific. It's your subconscious drawing on years of accumulated experience in an instant. The challenge is that many high achievers struggle to trust themselves, often dismissing their gut instincts and overcompensating with excessive research and analysis. Example: Rena had to pitch a project. She created 4 slide decks, read 3 market reports, and rehearsed 10 times. But the more she prepared, the more unsure she felt. Over-preparation leads to uncertainty. The night before, she panicked. What if I'm missing something? A mentor asked her, if you knew nothing else, what would you still say? She replied instantly, and it was the same message she'd built all along. That was her real decision maker, not her data, but her clarity. 2 minds at work. Have you ever came across a question, why you get stuck in analysis loops? Here's the answer to it. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman, in his book Thinking Fast and Slow, outlines 2 systems your brain uses to process information. System 1, fast thinking. Quick, intuitive, emotional, automatic. It helps you make snap judgments based on experience and pattern recognition. System 2, slow thinking. Deliberate, logical, analytical, and effortful. It's the system you use when solving a math problem, planning, or analyzing data. Overthinking often happens when high achievers override their gut instinct, System 1, with too much deliberate processing from System 2. You already sense the answer, but your brain won't let it go until it has proof, certainty, or more data. The goal isn't to reject logic or intuition, but to recognize when each system is most helpful. Learning to switch consciously between the 2 helps you make clearer, faster, and more balanced decisions. Tool: the blended thinking mini checklist. Use this when you're stuck between intuition and logic. Step 1, pause the analysis. Ask yourself, have I gathered enough data to understand the basics? If yes, then stop. Step 2, check your gut. Ask, if I couldn't overthink, what would I pick right now? Say the answer out loud. Step 3, sense check the instinct. Ask, would I give this same advice to a smart friend? If yes, your gut is grounded, not impulsive. This tool helps you recognize when your gut is backed by quiet confidence, not panic or avoidance. Overthinking often hides the answers you already know. By blending logic and instinct, you gain clarity faster and act with more confidence.